Hello again, this is Paul Tilla, CEO and originator of Heal. As you can see, I've got all my Heal gear on today. I just got back from getting out and visiting some of the locations that are currently carrying Heal retail in our local community. And one of the questions I was getting today that I think everybody deserves to understand is, what is the difference between Heal and any other meal replacement? Like, why is it that we're a cut above anything else that you're currently going to find in the marketplace? And the simple answer is that we've taken the time to formulate, to do the work, to take 2 years with a food scientist, with a doctor, with my intention to really design something that has never been created before. We've met what is Health Canada's Guideline for meal replacement. The highest standard for that particular type of replacement is a feeding tube formulation, which ties back to Linda's story. If you don't know, take a look at our website, learn a little bit more about why we did this in the first place. But the long and the short of it is that standard for meal replacement is what a person who can't eat anything else would have to live on. The synthetic formulations that are currently out on the market that meet any kind of standard are filled with synthetics. They're highly processed. Really, it's what people are given to subsist on. And what we've done is we've actually been able to hit those high marks, those highest standards, with a 100% food-based formulation. So what that means is every vitamin, mineral, trace element, every calorie is coming from a natural food source, and that makes it bioavailable. That means that your body is going to get the best benefit from all of those things that are in Heal. And that's just something that makes us stand apart from any other product. Whether it's your local protein powder that you're adding to your diet, if it's a product that says it's a meal replacement, to help yourself add some nutrition, or help your elderly family member get that extra bit of boost. The truth of the matter is those products really don't hit the mark. And in a lot of cases have never met any particular guideline. They're just calling themselves a meal replacement. So, to truly feel good, to truly feel like you're making your best choices for your own personal health or the health of the person that you care about, whether you're sick, whether you're elderly, whether you're an athlete, or whether you're a health conscious individual, what you can count on and trust is that at Fox Foods, we've taken every care to create the best product possible. We worked 2 years to create this formulation, and in recap, we've hit a standard that no other company has been able to hit with a 100% food-based formula. So hope that helps. Hope that helps you realize that it's what you deserve, and more importantly, get that information to your family members, and know that you can make a difference. When you truly choose things that are worthwhile, you can trust them, and they will truly make a difference in your life, similarly to what we're seeing with Emily and some of the other people that are currently taking Heal on a regular basis. So thanks again for your time. From the team here at Fox Foods, know that we appreciate your support and your follow, and take care. We'll talk to you soon.